Okay, so hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I am doing my vision board with you guys and showing you how I conduct my vision boards. So first you want to start out with a couple items, of course. You want to start out with a magazine of your choice. Sorry about the glare. A magazine of your choice. You also want to start off with a newspaper. You also want to start off with, well, this is optional, but I am using this background paper that I found at a store called Packatan's. It's our local craft store, and this was on sale for $2, so I picked this up to put behind the, or put on the whiteboard. And then you want to start off with the actual whiteboard that you want to use. I am using this 8-pack. I'm going to use just one sheet though, but I have multiple uses for the rest of the papers that are in here. This is from Walgreens for $2.99 for 8 of them. So I'm using this. And of course you need your handy dandy scissors and also some glue. You want to start off by writing out your 2019 goals for each category. At least that's what I did. So I have each category, and then the green is what I want to do with those goals. Showing you guys my 2019 vision board. This is the board that I chose to make. I think it's really cute. I took some of the items that I put on my last vision board for 2018, took them off of that board and placed them on here. I wanted to use Taraji because she is like the new upcoming, well, not new, but she's like been booming really big last year. She had a lot of TV shows that she was on and also movies. And she's just an all-around wonderful woman, and I love Taraji. So I'll just go through my vision board with you guys. So starting off over here, I put my style, strong is the new everything. So that is like my saying for me. A lot of people tell me that I am strong for what I've went through and the things that I've been through in my lifetime. So I put that on my board once I've seen it. So I put Taraji here because I love her fashion. I like the outfit that she's wearing. So I want to wear a lot more like business type of outfits this year. So I put that on there. Over here is All I Can Be Is Me, Baby. So that is just a reminder for me to just love myself and just be me for 2019. Just be who I am. Of course, up here is the 2019, and then it's going to be my best year, so I put your best year. I found this on a magazine right here. It says your fresh start, dream big, stick with it, slay your goals. And then this one right here is Taraji, again, the business outfits. I love this outfit, but I love how she's like throwing up her hat and she's like living freely and she's very happy in this picture. So I put know your value. So right here it says know your value. So definitely I want to remind myself, be happy and know my worth, know my value, and just again be me. At the bottom here, I put plan of action. So that's going to be my plan of action for this year. Here, right here, is a picture of the St. Jude logo. And it says, give hope to a St. Jude child. Losing my children, I have like, well, I've always had a soft spot for kids just because I was a mom. But losing my kids actually does something to me when I see other children that are close to losing their life. So this year I want to take some money and I want to give to that particular St. Jude Foundation. Again, along with this, I'm going to add another piece here. But I want to give back to the Credo Shah Foundation, which is what Jada had. So I want to give and donate to them as well. And then up here, of course, I added this from my last year, so I want to vacation this year a lot. I'm going to add right here, I'm going to get a picture of a passport and add it on there so I can get my passport and start vacationing. I still want to go to Paris, so I did put it over here. And then up here, it says, this year of you, this year, do it for you. I'm sorry, it says the year of you, this year, do it for you. So again, focus on myself. I want to add the word focus somewhere over here because that is my word for 2019 is to focus. And here it says find the best in you. It says what's your why, so I want to know, just to remind myself why I'm doing what I'm doing, and with everything I'm doing, just remember why I have a why and why I'm doing what I'm doing. This picture over here is a picture of Taraji, and she's sitting at a desk. She's studying, or either she is writing out a business plan or following up with her business. So I want to go to grad school to get my master's, so that's going to go with this one. Also, I want to finish my book, finish it up this year, and get it published and get it distributed out and promoted. So that's here. And then of course it says pay down your debt with money. So I want to have more money this year. I want to be saving a lot more this year, and of course pay down debt. And then it says start 2019 like a boss. So that's going to be me this year. Over here it says feel free to live your dreams. So of course I will be doing that this year, and you guys will be along for the ride. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please thumbs up this video for me. It really helps me. Please comment down below. Let me know your 2019 resolutions or anything that you're planning on doing this year. Subscribe to me and click the bell next to my name so you never miss a video from me. Thanks again for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.